Bakit legacy builders? Araw-araw parang pare-parehas lang. Gigising, magtatrabaho, magbabayad ng bills, mapapagod, tapos bukas, uulitin mo na naman ang lahat ng ito. At somewhere along the way, yung mga dati mong mga pangarap, naging malay mo, makuha natin na lang. Paano kung ang isang desisyon, isang opportunity, at isang community kayang baguhin yung direksyon ng buhay mo? Kaya merong legacy builders. This is a movement of ordinary Filipinos na pinipiling maniwala na kaya nilang mag-build something bigger than themselves. Galing kami sa iba't ibang walks of life. Merong OFW na pangarap lang ay makauwi for good. May mga employees who wants more control sa oras nila. Teachers, students, professionals, entrepreneurs, parents, retirees, people with different stories. Pero isa lang ang common dream. Mag-create ng mas magandang kinabukasan para sa sarili nila at sa lahat ng mahal nila sa buhay. Kasi naniniwala kami that your background does not define your future. The only thing that truly matters is the decision to grow. Ngayon, nagbabago na ang mundo. Nagbabago na yung business, nagbabago na yung technology. Hindi mo na kailangan ng milyon-milyon para mag-create ng something na malaki. Hindi mo na kailangan maging sikat at magkaroon ng dekadang experience. Kasi sa tamang guidance, tamang system, at sa willingness mong matuto. Kahit sino kaya magsimula ng negosyo in today's digital technology. Pero itong natutunan ko, behind every successful entrepreneur, may mentor, may support system, at may community. That's what legacy builders is. A community na naniniwala sa mga tao bago pa sila maniwala sa mga sarili nila. It's a place where learning never stops. Kung saan sineselebrate lahat ng panalo, kung saan ang pagkatalo ay nagiging lessons, where no one grows alone. Kasi ang mission namin hindi lang magturo, it's to develop mindset, skills, and confidence, leadership, and character na kailangan to build a lasting success. Naniniwala kami na wealth is not just about money. It's about freedom, makasama yung pamilya mo, mag-create ng meaningful experience, at mag-decide kung paano mo maililive ang buhay mo. Kasi one person's growth can change an entire family's future. Dito sa Legacy Builders, hindi kami nangangako ng overnight success. Hindi kami nangangako na laging madali. Pero nangangako kami na hindi ka mag-iisa. Meron kang mentors who genuinely care. Proven system na design para mag-grow ka. Continuous training na dinedevelop ang negosyo mo at character mo. Together, with our strategic partnership with Supremacy International, tuloy-tuloy tayong nag-e-expand ng opportunities para sa bawat Pilipino dito at sa labas ng bansa. Through a modern business system designed para sa generation ngayon. Kasi naniniwala kami, every Filipino deserves an opportunity, mangarap, magtayo, at maniwala ulit. We are building confident individuals, stronger families, future leaders. This is Legacy Builders. Building people, building businesses, building lasting legacies. Welcome home.